Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, in today's video, we're going to show you a really cool way of placing a Sonos Play 1 in the ceiling in a widget for a nice clean fit and finish. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so now that we have this installed in the enclosure, you can see the power cord plugs in and nicely path over here to store all the excess, and then the Sonos Play 1 fits nice here, so obviously when it's upside down it doesn't fall out. And then on the back, you know, it's nice and clean. You got your button right there to for setup, and then now it's the time we wait for the electrician to take these off and directly wire it up, and we'll put it in the ceiling. So keep watching. All right, so now we have the electrician installed the enclosure. We ceiling, there it is, right there. And then Ronnie's gonna put in the awesome grill, so it looks like a nice fit and finish. So, oh yeah. Now, that's a better looking option than just speakers sitting on the counter. Don't you think? Yeah. All right, guys, so that's a wrap on putting in this Sonos Play 1 in the widget. So again, nice clean fit and finish. Again, that's a much better solution than just a speaker sitting on a cabinet, counter, or just randomly throughout the room. So, and you could do, you know, pairs of these, create a stereo pair or a single. We just have a single small bathroom. So again, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.